When a company grows, it also impacts its IT systems and makes them more complex. For example, company Global Energy merges with a small competing energy provider, Smart Electron. It requires that Global Energy assesses and affiliates Smart Electron's IT landscape. But what exactly does assessment and affiliation mean? There are several aspects Global Energy needs to look at, as there are company processes, the organizational structure, the geographic location of subsidiaries and data centers, and how they are supported by their IT landscape. Luckily, there are methods and procedures ready to be applied in cases like this. The Tailored Enterprise Architecture Management, or TEAM methodology, not only consists of the theory to implement enterprise architecture management, but also has ready-to-use recipes, tools, and even experts prepared to deal with Global Energy's current problems. TEAM is a methodology that analyzes the company's current mode of operation regarding the enterprise architecture management domains in question. Thus, TEAM renders the company structure to be clearly arranged and manageable. Once Smart Electron's structure has been analyzed, it's time for Global Energy's structure to undergo the same procedure. Finally, having the structure of both companies set up neatly and tidily, they can be merged easily to sum up into a common approach. But how exactly does TEAM work? So let's see how the gear of TEAM is working in detail. One of the things you should know about a company is the organizational structure and the personnel's individual concerns, targets, and hidden agendas. TEAM helps you to identify the company's domain model, what departments the company consists of, their structure, and their interconnection, and how the IT systems suit it. But is it really clear which IT systems are running? You'd be surprised how many companies are not aware of at least some of their production-critical IT systems. TEAM identifies their existence, investigates their interconnections, how they suit business processes, and determines their values and maturity. This knowledge enables you to separate the wheat from the chaff, to find a way in which to change the current IT landscape into the future mode of operation. TEAM develops a roadmap. According to application dependencies, priorities, and cost, TEAM finds a migration strategy encompassing the whole application landscape to elaborate the future mode of operation. Then the individual projects will be launched, supported by suitable teamwork products and tools to facilitate project progression. To ensure that all projects are acting in concert, a central authority is required to monitor their direction and to bring deviating projects back on track. TEAM consultants will help to conduct the transformation. As time goes by, you can watch how the current mode of operation gradually transforms into the projected future mode of operation. You will realize that a good working IT positively affects the performance of your business and makes it more profitable. But there are some other areas TEAM can be useful for your company. Heading toward the cloud or big data, a company should be aware of their IT systems, the data flow, and how they can be improved by the change. When a company's business processes need to be adjusted to market's requirements, TEAM helps to identify the process layout, tracks the changes, and helps preparation for the next change. This will conclude in leaner processes which can be adapted to future requirements more smoothly. But even if you don't intend to apply big changes to your IT landscape, you can engage TEAM's abilities. No matter whether operation, development, or maintenance needs to be addressed, TEAM helps work to be more focused. This allows room for innovations and gives you opportunities to improve your core business. Don't you think it's time you engage TEAM for your company?